Hey there, welcome
What your nicknames are?
to the John Taylor Bell Foundry in Loughborough. This is a never-seen-before behind-the-scenes film where we will get up, close and maybe a bit too personal with the bell making process.
You know what? You're a nightmare.
Yep.
This is a day in the life of bell casting. If you enjoy this film, then please hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Happy watching!
Good morning, 7:30 in the morning, and I'm about to head to the foundry to see Sam and Anthony, and we're going to be casting some bells today.
Got me some slack. I can't remember who you were that one. There you go, weirdo. Oh, what? Oh, you're following me. Oh,
Wait, what are we grabbing again, sorry?
I forgot your my
Can't
shadow.
really hear ya.
Chippings!
Chippings, right. What are the chippings for?
They act as a morning.
Morning.
They act as a cushion for when we put words.
What Anthony is trying to say at 7 AM on Thursday is that chippings are the pieces of metal that are removed via the tuning process. They are then collected and melted down for the next bell.
Try my best.
You got it?
Got tea.
Clever.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's not too bad. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, try and pick that one up.
Nah, I got my tea.
Let's go.
While we waddle our way across to the foundry, Sam is busy making moulds. Made of sand and clay, 2 moulds like these can take about a day to be sculpted and a night in the oven at about 110 degrees Celsius. For more info on moulds, check out the film How to Make a Bell on the channel.
This is the oven where they all sit when they're not doing anything. It's lovely and warm in here. You sort of step in and it completely from, I don't know, what, like 10 degrees to like 25, 30? Yeah? It feels warm.
60 or so.
60? Wow, okay. I'm just basing it off like sauna life. Doesn't really feel like a sauna. I suppose it does actually, it's warm.
While I check out the cooked cases in the oven, Sam is about to get a bit toasty, and Anthony does some very slow math. There is, of course, a lot of paperwork that has to be done. The job name and the bell size is recorded, so Anthony knows how much metal is needed for the casting.
And
Spit it out.
oh, what? Concentrating. Doing maths. So I need a total of 682 kilos. Okay. So now I've got to go and weigh that out while you just make a mess on the floor, Sam. Love that. Love that for you. This one has got 30 sprayed on the side, so that whatever it weighs on the scales, I know to take 30 off. 354 minus 30 is 324.
So bell metal is a mixture of tin and copper. And the reason why we use tin is because
it helps it resonate.
There we go.
But that is going to come from ingot.
Ingot, what the hell is ingot?
So basically ingot is fresh processed metal that's made for us. So we give the spec that we want, and then a proper smelting foundry that deals in raw materials make it, and then they cast them into manageable chunks. So you can use, these can be man-handled easily or person-handled very easily. And then we order we'll order a specific weight at a time. So we'll say, we want like 2 tons or a ton. And then it all comes on a nice pallet that we can, and we know how much this pallet weighs to begin with, so that we can then keep an accurate log of how much metal we've always got on site. Have come to...
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's heavy.
But those 2 ingots that I've already put in, they weigh 18 kilos.
Flippin' heck. Jesus.
That was loud.
Sorry guys, that was That's a lot heavier than I thought.
No, you're about like probably 2 more U's and we're there.
2 more me's.
In the background, Sam has a meltdown about needing to clean out the sand machine. Maybe he needs another cuppa.
You know.
My fault.
Yeah.
And my inner witch is curious.
Which cauldron are we using?
Not a cauldron. Don't call it a cauldron. You're better than that.
Which pot?
That one, the one you're standing by.
Cool. What's it actually called?
It is a Morgan BT 380 tilt furnace. And they go, don't fall in.
How cool, all this metal will soon be a couple of bells.
Right.
All right, where's it going?
You are far too energetic. Overnight oats are not a good thing.
Overnight oats are a great thing.
No,
for
they're
digging.
not. Right. This is our measuring stick.
Yeah.
So, from there,
Yeah.
we've got to go to there. And then we'll start here. That line there.
Okay. As in just like one line of a trench.
We've got to dig out a pit. So the
this
pit,
whole pit.
not all of it,
Okay.
because we'll be here for days. But yeah, so there, this way, so there is effectively one belt, and then to there is the second belt.
Cool.
Because we bury whenever we cast bells, we always bury them to slow down the solidification rate, which helps build a bigger grain structure and make the bell sound deeper and richer.
Wow. Just from digging a pit?
Well, it's like putting it in a blanket. It's the sand's a really good insulator.
Yeah, sure.
We've decided I'm ding, he's dong. So we should do like a second series of Taylor's Uncut.
Oh yeah, Taylor's bloopers.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Mostly just us being like.
It's a nice hole there, Ant.
It is, isn't it? Mate, I'm sick at my job. Just.
What a hole you've dug.
I'm more fixing it than hotels.
Oi.
While Ding gets a slap, Dong is coating the second mould in a different colour liquid. Depending on which refractory coatings are used, will determine the finish of the bell. Next on the agenda, Ding and Dong put the case on.
So just for reference, Sam is in charge of up and down the shop, which is that way, and I'm in charge of in and out,
Yeah.
which is this way and that way. And those directions come from when the crane was a cab crane. So you went up the shop, down the shop, out away from the cab, in towards the cab, and they never got changed. So if it doesn't make sense to you, that's why.
Okay.
Yeah. No rush.
I'm starving.
Of course you are. It's 9:30.
Oh, it is.
Over the mould. I am. I'm up as well.
I'm way more on that side.
Yeah, same.
Turns out it's a lot harder than you'd think.
This isn't an easy
Anthony sands the joint again for attempt number 2.
I don't know. Mate, who decided one day I'm going to invent something that no one else is going to have, but it's going to be massive and it's going to be well useful? Invented a phone, and he's the only person on the world to have a phone. Who did he ring?
You know what one of the most important inventions in the world was? The second telephone.
you know what the first thing he said on the phone was? I'm still up.
So am I.
Having got jokes about inventions out their system, maybe this time the case will fit.
Please close, please close, please close, please close. What?
I'm still up.
Fractionally.
Down on this side.
That's like, that's a hair.
You could cramp it, but
Yeah.
it's not a hair.
That's a hair.
It's not.
That's a hair. I'm telling you now. I'm fine with that. Why break the habit of a lifetime? Why break the habit of a lifetime?
Now for the second bell, and I just had to give this a go.
There we go. Right, you ready?
Yeah.
So now we're going to come down slowly. We'll get to sort of here-ish, and then we'll reassess.
Yes.
Okay. So you do need to. This is where you need to like,
Yeah, I'm feeling
like fold yourself.
like it's doing well.
Yeah. Still
Yeah.
happy? I mean, if you're happy and you don't want it to change, that's fine. No problems. Just say yeah. It's all good.
Okay, I think.
And we'll just go. We'll go.
Let's just stop and let's go up the shop 1.
So you want me to go this?
This way,
Yeah,
just a
cool.
teeny, teeny. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Now I'm scared. No. Okay. No, I think I did it wrong. Let's go down the shop 1. I think it was fine. I think I just feel like I have to say something. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's go.
Yeah. You happy?
Yeah.
I'm happy my way. No, I'm not. No, I am.
Yeah.
You happy? That's not a philosophical question.
Stop.
Whoa.
Down the shop 1.
There we go. No, never mind. We found it.
Yep.
There at the end.
Yes. That wasn't too bad.
Right. So now have a look down that side.
Yeah. Flat.
Is there any air between the two surfaces? Any
Nope.
gap?
It's flat as a pancake.
Perfect.
See, that's
Nailed
how it's
it.
done, Sam.
Right. Yeah. There you go. Bada bing. Bada boom.
Bada boom.
Before the cast is moved into the pit, Anthony puts on a slow adhesive glue, and the case is clamped down.
You guys have got a new nickname now, right?
We do. Yeah.
Do you want to tell us what your nicknames are?
I'm Ding and he's Dong.
In the Foundry.
Next time on the channel, Ding fires up the furnace, guests arrive, and 2 bells are born. We look forward to seeing you again soon for the second half of the day. Time for lunch, lads. See you next time.